This here is supposed to represent a soccer ball. I'm not going to draw in all the pentagons and hexagons and whatever, but this is a soccer ball. Soccer ball has a diameter between 27, 28 inches, and it has a mass of 14 to 16 ounces. We are going to convert these units into centimeters. And grams. So let's work on our shopping list. Remember, our shopping list, just abbreviated SL, is going to contain every number that has a unit and every unit that needs a number. So we got a couple scaffolds to set up here. I'm going to perform 2 of them because you can see, hopefully you can see that they're kind of repetitive. And that's what this problem is practice. Kind of make up some room here. So I'm going to first solve for this one right here, 27 inches, and I'm going to convert it into centimeters. So I'm going to start with my scaffold, 27 inches. Now, an inches to centimeter conversion. This is something you can Google, but I happened to 2.54 centimeters is in 1 inch. So this conversion here, I can use it like this or flip it, but I need to make sure that however it goes in here, a unit cancels. So if I'm just going to pick this up as is and lay it down inside of my scaffold. 2.54 centimeters divided by 1 inch. Now I stand back for a second and I say, look, whoa, this works out well. A top unit cancels out a bottom unit. In addition, the unit I want is in the numerator. That is key. The unit I want is in the numerator. So I know I'm going to get the correct answer, the correct conversion of inches to centimeters. So now I pick up my calculator, 27 times 2.54, 68.58 centimeters. Now we'll do the second conversion because I want to show you the smart start. The smart start is starting your scaffold with the unit you want in the numerator from the beginning. Follow. We are going to convert 28 inches into centimeters. This is the conversion. So this has centimeters, the unit I want in it. So I'm going to put this in first in the numerator. Now, no matter what I do here on out, centimeters is going to be on top. I need to put 28 inches in my scaffold. And it doesn't matter whether it matters where I put it top or bottom because I need a unit to cancel. And units on the top cancel out units on the bottom. So 28 centimeters, or excuse me, 28 inches is going to go in the numerator. Bada bing. My unit cancels. Yes. The unit I'm looking for is in the numerator. Double yes. Now it's time to pick up a calculator and multiply this out. We'll forego that for now. You got that under control. Let's do the ounces to grams right here. I might do this in a little long way because I'm just going to go. Anyways, 14 ounces to grams. I'm just going to start. I'm going to do the smart start. So ounces. Ounces, G's, I do not know a conversion that goes straight from ounces to grams. I'm sure there's one on Google, but I'm going to try to piece this together in a MacGyver kind of style right here. I do know a couple things about ounces. I do know that there is 16 ounces in 1 pound. And I do know that 2.2 pounds is 1 kilogram. So this is kind of giving me kind of a train car to connect here. Eventually, I need to start with ounces and end with grams. Now, I still don't see grams in anything here, but I do know that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. I got enough stuff written here. I'm going to see what I can put together. I'm going to start with the smart start. Now, I want to be careful. I want to be clear about this. I am starting with the unit I want as the final answer. We're trying to get 2 grams. I'm starting with that in the numerator. That is my sole reason for starting like this, because the question is telling me it wants an answer in grams. Now, I want my final answer in grams. So come hell or high water, I have to cancel out kilograms. This has kilograms in it. So this train car is going to go in my scaffold. But I need kilograms is on the bottom. I need kilograms on the top up here. So I need to flip this when I write it in my scaffold, so that way kilograms is on top and whatever is left over is on the bottom. To make this cancel is key. That is a hint. That when you are making units cancel, that is your Hansel and Gretel breadcrumbs that you're on the right track. I still have grams in the top, yes. I got to get rid of these pounds. Every New Year's resolution. Here is a unit that contains pounds and ounces, and shucks, I got to do the same thing. I got to flip. I have pounds in the bottom here, so I need pounds. I'm going to flip. Bingo. Pounds cancel out. I still need to get rid of ounces. 14 ounces. Top cancels out bottom. Another breadcrumb. In this train car, or train, each car I made a point to make sure that a unit canceled. A top canceled out a bottom. That's a definite thing you have to make sure you're doing. I did a smart start, which may have felt uncomfortable, but I knew that if I started with the unit I needed my answer in, that as long as I made things cancel out, it was going to be the right answer there. So now I pick up my calculator. I'm going to erase this here just because I need a little bit of room here. And I'm going to show you how I would punch this out in my calculator. Don't trust parentheses, please. Well, I mean, don't trust parentheses in your calculator. When I multiply everything across, 1,000 grams times 14 is 14,000 grams. Notice the unit is carried along for the ride. 2.2 times 1, I can do that in my head. But 2.2 times 16, I need a little help. 35.2, there's no unit down here, so there's no unit over here. 14,000 divided by 35.2. 397.73 grams is that 14 ounce conversion to grams. Thank you.